Parts of speech. Parts of speech are categories of words that have specific jobs in a sentence.
There are 8 parts of speech: verb, pronoun,
noun,
preposition, adjective, conjunction, adverb, interjection.
Noun. Noun is a word used as a name of a person, place, or thing. Example: 1. Rahul is my friend. Here, Rahul is a noun. It is the name of a specific person. Friend is also a noun. It's a common noun. It refers to a general category of people rather than an individual.
2.
I live in Mumbai. Here, Mumbai is a noun. It refers to a name of a place.
Pronoun.
A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid repetition. Example: 1. Liza is a teacher. She is reading a book. Here, she is a pronoun. It replaces the noun Liza to avoid repetition and make the sentence smoother.
Verb.
A verb is a word that expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. Example: 1. Rahul plays football well. Here, plays is a verb. It shows an action performed by Rahul. What he does. He plays football. 2. She is a doctor. Is a verb. It shows a state of being. What is she? She is a doctor. Adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. Example: 1. She is a kind lady. Here, kind is an adjective. It describes the noun lady by telling what kind of lady she is. 2. I like this pen. This is an adjective. It describes the noun pen by specifying which pen is being referred to. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb by showing how, where, when, or to what extent. Example: 1. He speaks softly. Here, softly is an adverb. It describes how he speaks, modifying the verb speaks. 2. She is very good. Very is an adverb. It modifies the adjective good by showing the degree of goodness. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that links other words, phrases, clauses, or sentences together. Example: Nisha and Tina will come. Here, and is a conjunction. And is combining Nisha and Tina. 2 nouns. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. Example: The book is on the table. Here, on is a preposition of place. It shows that the book is resting on the surface of the table. Interjection. An interjection is a word used to express a sudden emotion or feeling of the mind. Example: 1. Bravo, you did great. Here, bravo is an interjection. It expresses praise or admiration for someone's achievement. 2. Shh, be quiet. Here, shh is an interjection. It is used to tell someone to be silent or lower their voice.